Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, in the second International Conference on Innovation in Science Technology, ICIST 2020, I will present my work entitled Attendance System based on face recognition using hybrid feature extraction method. Let's introduce our team. My name is Edy Winarno, and on behalf of my group, which is Mr. Imam Husni Amin, Mrs. Wiwien Hadikurniawati, and Mr. Muchamad Taufiq Anwar. We are from Universitas Stikubank, Unisbank, Semarang, Indonesia. The first biometric is a system that reads parts of the human body to identify authenticity or authentication. This biometric technology uses a unique and fixed part of the human body. There are three things that are currently often used in biometric system, such as fingerprint, iris, and face. All the data that use can be detected and stored in the biometric technology database. One of the most widely used as biometric system is the face recognition system. One of the implementation of human face recognition system is an attendance system application. Attendance system is used to detect and recognize a person's identity and store as a face database. The face present system that developed in this study is a face present or attendance system using the hybrid feature extraction method using the convolutional neural network or CNN and principal component analysis or PCA. So we can say as a general CNN plus PCA. The system is built using a combination of the face detection and face recognition framework models. We use a real-time camera to detect and to identify a face in the system. The proposed method system that has been developed in this research, we can see in figure 3. Face detection is used to detect each face as an object that captured by the camera. In the face recognition process, to produce an image that will be used in the feature extraction method, we carry out the process of reconstructing face images from 2D to 3D, from two-dimensional to three-dimensional using CNN, convolutional neural network, and shape and texture combining, and then process using PCA. The face identification process is carried out by comparing the image that's stored in the database with the test face image. In this process, the Mahalanobis distance is used for the classification process. The face detection process using a camera, and we use the Viola-Jones face detection method. Face detection is carried by a camera to take a face image of the object being taken. In this face detection, the process of detecting and searching for a face feature is carried out on the camera image. Then, at this stage, the system recognizes the pattern as a face or not. At this stage, the pre-processing or normalization process is also carried out by combining several models of face image processing. The methods that use are cropping and then RGB to gray, red, green, blue to gray, and then resizing and contrast brightness adjustment methods using histogram equalization to produce information values that can be used to improve voice recognition to be more optimal. The pre-processing method that used in this study is used to increase image sharpness so that it can be used to anticipate the variation of illuminance that will appear when capturing face images. In this study, the face presence system using the hybrid feature extraction method is then integrated using a server client architecture on a computer network using a real-time camera. This research was conducted using an intranet computer network interconnection model using a server client architecture. The model of the architecture that used in this research we can see in figure 4. The presence system that is integrated using a server client architecture connected to the computer network is able to work as a real-time or online presence machine. In this study, face recognition testing was carried out in the presence system, which was developed by taking face images using several angles. Each test on the client computer is carried out at an angle of 0 degree, 22.5 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree. And each angle is carried out 10 times. After testing the recognition of face object from 10 client computers, the highest success angle is the 0 degree with 100% success percentage and 22.5 with 90% success percentage. The detailed test result that shown face recognition accuracy can be seen in the diagram in figure 5. So the conclusion of our research is, the first, the tangent system based on face recognition using hybrid feature extraction method is a presence system that uses convolutional neural network, principal component analysis, we can say CNN PCA, as a hybrid feature extraction. This method can produce a new face recognition system and has an optimal level of accuracy as a presence machine. The second conclusion is, in the experiment using a client-server architecture, the presence system works well even though it uses several client computers as its users. And the last conclusion of our research is, testing on the present system shows that the system works well when the angle of the face is between 0 until 22.5 degree from the frontal position. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.